Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to see about the assignment operator, right? So if there is some variable and after the variable you are placing equal to sign and after that there is some value, then that equal to sign will be treated as an assignment operator, right? Now there are several types of assignment operator. So here you can see that the first one we have is the addition assignment operator. The next one we have the subtraction, similarly multiplication, division and modulus assignment operator. So we'll start with the addition assignment operator. So at the initial you can see that there is let, and then after that the variable name abc. So variable type is of let and it is assigned the value of 10, right? Now in the second line we want to make an addition to this abc variable. So we here you will write plus is equal to 5, right? It means the same as 10 plus 5, right? So in order to avoid the repetition of the variable, you can also write it as this plus is equal to 5, and then if you will console this, you will get your results over here, right? You will open your terminal from here, right? Open new terminal, and then it will take some time to load based on your computer speed. And then after that you will write node and the file name, that is the operator.js we have in our case. So operator.js, and here you can see that at the last it is giving that console abc addition is 15, that is 10 plus 5. So we got a result. Similarly, if I'll copy and paste this in the subtraction, and I'll, instead of addition I'll write minus, right? And I will name this variable as abcd, right? And here as well, and then I'm going to save this and I'm going to run this file in my terminal. So here you can see that, and abc addition, this I haven't replaced, so I will replace it now. Subtraction, I will run it again, or I will clear this, right? Now I will run this, and here you can see that abcd subtraction is 5, that means 10 minus 5. Similarly, let's see for multiplication assignment operator, and here I'll write multiplication is equal to 5 is equal, right? And I'll rename this variable as well, right? I will name it as multiplication, right? And then I'm going to save this. I will copy it one more time for to show the demonstration of the division. Let me rename the variable a b c d e f, and here as well a b c d e f, and this, right? Then I will change the multiplication sign to the division one, right? And here I'll write division, and similarly I'll copy for modulus operator also, right? What I did here is I have changed each and everything according to the heading, and then at the last I'm going to run and show you the results, right? So let me change the last one also. and this is the sign for the modulus one, right? This is the sign. Here I'll write 11, right? I will tell you why I did this 11 over here, right? And modulus, or I'll write remainder, right? This modulus operator gives the remainder part, right? So if you can see that 11 divided by 5, that is 5 to the 10, and the remainder will be 1. So in the output I'll get as 1. Here also comments I will edit, that will give you a better understanding of what this all about. Yeah, looks good. Okay, so I'm going to save this now and I'll clear my terminal. Yes, this is the command clear. If you write in your terminal, this will clear your terminal, right? Now I'm going to run this file. So I'll write node operator.js and then I'm going to hit the enter button. So here you can see that 10 plus 5, that is 15, 10 minus 5 is equal to 5 for the subtraction, right? For multiplication, 10 into 5 is equal to 50, and for the division, 10 divided by 5, that gives 2, right? And for the remainder, here you can see that the remainder is 1. If we divide 11 by 5, which I have already told you before, so that this modulus operator will give the remainder part. So if you guys have liked this video, so and if you haven't subscribed this channel, so please subscribe this channel, and I'll meet you in the next video. So thank you for now.